Hi everyone, this is Miss Snook, your science teacher. Welcome to Snook Science video for week 1, first period, junior earth science. I am welcoming you back to a brand new semester, and I hope that you will all take time to read the note that I've put on the Google Classroom. I will change the title to the Google Classroom to quarter 3. And I will post this video in there as well so that you can review on your own time. It will be located on my personal YouTube channel, which will be at FORN6FROG on YouTube. And I want to get this school year off to a good start, so please excuse the shaking. That is my symptom right now, is that I'm shaking and I'm trying to record and do all sorts of stuff. Number 1, I just want to wish you a happy new year and tell you that I'm glad that you're back. I am out on sick leave right now. As many of you know, I had a stroke December 5th and I am recovering. So you have a substitute. I don't know who that sub is. And I have agreed for right now to provide a video recording for Monday so that you guys can see what's coming up that week and some ideas for the sub to implement for your learning for the course of the week. So every Monday you should plan on seeing a video from me as long as I'm able to. And everything that the substitute is doing is based on the learning objective for the week and what I'd like to see done week to week. I do not know when I'll be back. I have to get cleared by a doctor first, and so we have to be patient, and I don't want you to have any lapse in learning because once I get back, we're just going to keep going. So this is week 1 of quarter 3, second semester. And the learning objective is I can ask questions and clear up misconceptions I have about the solar system and how the Earth plays a role. And as you know, the spring semester in this class is devoted to the solar system and Earth's place in the universe. And so what I'd like you to do for your very first assignment is I'd like you to take out a piece of paper. And I'd like you, a regular piece of paper, it can be lined, and I'd like you to go ahead and draw what you think the solar system looks like, our solar system. I'd like you to include the sun, and I'd like you to include all 9 planets if you can. And we will share those with each other and talk about what's good and what's bad. And then for your assignment, I'd like you to come up with at least 10 questions that you have about the solar system or Earth's place in the solar system and the universe, or I would like you to come up with questions that you have or misconceptions that you think you might have that you would like some clarification on that will help me understand where you are better. This is no time for conspiracy theories. Right now we are focusing on real science. We'll have time and opportunity to investigate the conspiracy theories later. And what I hope you will accomplish the rest of the week are some scale drawings. So the first one is a scale drawing of the solar system on a piece of paper. And you're going to use the distance of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 AU. You will have to find out what 1 AU is in actual numbers, but what it is in definition is the distance between the Earth and the Sun. You are also going to draw a solar system outside with chalk. There's some chalk on my board, on the tray on the board that you can use. There's also chalk in the last drawer by the shower. And you can use that chalk and metric rulers to decide how big is the solar system, including the sun. And then finally, I'd like you to do some research about how big the Earth is. You can use the internet and think about those measurements about the circumference and why there are differences and why the Earth is not a perfect circle, as well as the orbits and the different sizes of the different things that we see in our solar system. And I recommend that you go onto NASA's webpage so that you can get the chart that they have there. I'll try and post it in the Google Classroom. I'll make a note here so that I can add that to the Google Classroom. But I'd like you to find it also so you know where it is, of the metric units related to our solar system as well as the standard units. And that's it for me right now. I am not there and I cannot answer your questions. So please do your best to find those answers and ask the other experts that are on campus. Please use your sub wisely and treat your substitute with the utmost respect. I love you, and I'll talk to you next week.